Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to see the viewer list on Kik. Now if you want to see the viewer list on a Kik mobile but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now the first thing which you need to do is install the Kik app on a device. So if you have not installed, then you need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you need to open the Kik app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now there are various methods of seeing the viewer list. The first thing which you can do is the check the active chat users. Now you need to go on your Kik live streaming, and from there you need to look at the chat section and you need to see who are visible and who are active on the chat section, and moderators and subscribers are also included in it, and you'll see the respective badges for them. Now you may use the third-party streaming tools like Streamlabs or OBS, and you may track the chat activity and viewers. So you may also open Streamlabs and log into it, and you'll see the number of viewer list from here, or you may simply count the viewers. So you need to simply count the viewers on your stream to see the number of viewer list on it. So it means that Kik does not currently have a built-in features to see the full list of viewers who are watching a stream. You need to simply follow the step which I have mentioned before to see the number of viewer list. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.